What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. And I got a quick one today, but hopefully this will be a good one. If you've been waiting to buy an RTX 30 series GPU, EVGA has some good news that they just actually published. And this article was, yeah, it looks like a couple hours ago today. So let me jump on over here. And EVGA will give queue priority to gamers who have not purchased an RTX 30 series GPU yet. And what that means is if you haven't bought a 30 series GPU with EVGA, there is no way for them to know if you're a gamer or not, but you get the opportunity to buy one. So that's pretty cool. I don't know if I've actually bought one direct from EVGA. I know I've bought some 20 series from them. So I'm going to try to re-queue up or enter the line again, essentially, because I entered the waiting list multiple times. I haven't got any emails, but I have noticed some of my friends have been getting emails lately. Actually, one of the moderators over on the Discord just got a 3060 Ti from EVGA. So maybe if I re-up, they'll see and they'll see like, oh, he hasn't got one yet. And I think they're bumping them to the front of the line. So that's pretty cool for you guys that don't have a lot of cards or haven't bought anything from EVGA Direct. Now let's actually read the article and break it down. So EVGA has recently updated information for customers wanting to purchase the RTX 30 series cards that will affect both new customers and customers waiting in the queue system for cards already paid for. Jacob, product manager for EVGA, posted an update about the current situation on their forum page. The same information, but in slight more detail, is on EVGA's website for the RTX 30 series family of cards. And it reads as such. Special EVGA 30 series notify system, as of actually it was posted yesterday on their website, in an effort to expedite those in the queue who are still waiting for an EVGA GeForce RTX 30 series card. And to be fair to all EVGA customers, we are making a running change. 1. Accounts that have not purchased an EVGA 30 series card yet as part of the queue will be prioritized. Accounts that have already purchased a EVGA 30 series card in the queue system will be behind those who have not. And notes, B stock or step up 30 series products will not affect the queue positions. So I have bought some B stock stuff, but it was a B stock 20 series, so I don't think that'll affect me. I'm going to enter the queue, and hopefully I'll be making a video soon that I'm getting a 30 series card from EVGA. So we hope this update will allow more gamers to get their hands on an EVGA GeForce RTX 30 series card. If there's any questions, please contact support. Due to high demand, the notify queue sign up is temporarily disabled. Oh no. If you have a current queue position, EVGA will continue to process stock as available. Notifications will be sent on first come, first served basis, and the EVGA 30 series notify system does not guarantee that your notify order will be fulfilled while supplies last. Please note that you have 20 hours to place your order, otherwise the product will be released back into the queue system. EVGA Elite members have 24-hour early access to join the queue on all newly launched hardware. Join the program clicking here. So this was relayed by Reddit user Tainted Squirrel. So that's always cool to see that somebody's trying a new method to be able to get cards into the hands of people that don't have cards. Obviously, EVGA doesn't know what you own, but they do know what your account has bought on EVGA. And I imagine, just like other websites, they're probably linking accounts to names, cards, addresses. So if you try to do multiple accounts, they're privy to that, I would imagine, and they would nix that. But for the guys that haven't got one yet, hopefully this is good news. Whenever they open their system back up to sign up, I'll re-sign up. But in the meantime, I signed up months ago and I still haven't heard anything. So maybe I'll hear something soon. Maybe that'd be cool if I did. Also, comment down below and let me know if you guys have actually been able to buy one through the queue system, and how was the experience? Was it pretty easy? Did you miss it? Did you get the email and couldn't afford it? I'm just curious because the whole like getting an email and having 20 hours thing seems a little nerve-wracking, because sometimes, I mean, I check my email every day, but it's like, man, that could be missed fairly easily, and then you miss your spot in line. So it'd be like, oh no, wham bam, thank you ma'am, wrap it up, slap it up, take it on home. But yeah. So other than that, it's a great day to be a miner. Let's go ahead and let's open up some coin market cap. You know what I'm saying? Let's just while we're here, might as well. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's been a really, really good day. It is, just for reference, for people watching in the future, hi, people from the future, it is October 5th, 2021, and Bitcoin is at $51,400. Boom. Yeah, Bitcoin is 51 racks right now. Right behind it is Ethereum at 3,400. In third in third place, we have Binance Coin at 435. Going down the list, Cardano's in fourth, Tether's in fifth. Okay, XRP's in sixth. Notable mentions: Dogecoin as 24, almost 25 cents in the eighth position, holding it down. And further down the list, old Litecoin. We can't forget about our buddy old Litecoin. That's old but gold right there. Number 17th on the coin market cap, and it's $170. Bitcoin Cash 591. One that got a lot of love today. It's up 39%. It was actually up more than that. Shiba Inu or Shiba Coin, number 26th position. It's currently 0.000018. But I mean, it jumped up a whole decimal point today. So if you had some of that, congratulations. It would definitely went up in value, like doubled. Not too far behind it, Ethereum Classic, $53. I'm hoping for big things for Ethereum Classic, especially once regular Ethereum goes like proof of stake. I'm hoping a lot of money will start flowing into that, but who knows? Tron, 9 cents. Monero, 269, and I guess we'll finish it off with a. Trying to find a daggone crowd favorite here. We might be too deep into the list. If I was in the future, what coin would I want to know about? Raven Coin, 92nd position, so it's in the top 100, 11.1 cents. Guys, watch out for Raven Coin. That one's going to sneak up and fly away on a lot of people. So, if you ain't got some Raven Coin, this ain't financial advice, but I got some Raven Coin. Know what I'm saying? You picking up what I'm putting down? Yeah. All right. Anyway, later, guys. Have a good one. Enjoy these mining profits. Enjoy these trading profits if you're a trader. And I will see you on the next one. Jellyfish Gang out. And you know what to do. If you're in it, you know what to do. I'll see you down below. Later, guys.